up, y'all? So I'm here at one of the skate spots in East Lake Otay area. This is a really fun park because it has a bank. A bank is a great way to get you comfortable with transitioning into transition. Funny enough, hopefully we can get an edit out of this and have some fun. We're gonna learn how to do kick turns on transition. So what you're gonna focus on doing is bending your knees. Have you ever played football? That's a rhetorical question, but if you've played football, before you go in contact with somebody, you wanna pick up all your leverage to hit them, right? So use that. It's like a hit stick on the controller of a PlayStation. You just flick it forward. That's what you're gonna do with this transition. You're gonna have your feet planted, just like in the kick turn tutorial. If you haven't seen my kick turn tutorial, this would be a great time to pause this video and jump into that video, because this is gonna allow you to kick turn onto a bank, okay? Kind of like drawing a rainbow. Boop. All right, so as you can see, when I go up to do the kick turn, I'm crouched right here. I'm crouched on my board. Soon as I get to the transition from flat to the bank, I stand up. Once you stand up, that's gonna give you like a weightlessness feeling. And then when you come back down from the ramp, you're gonna suck your legs back in to go back to flat. So it's gonna go like that. All right, let's go. So as you can tell, this is a pretty wide bank. It has a lot of turning radius. The kick turn comes in handy because when you're ready to, if you're not gonna make this, you wanna be able to control your board to kick it back in, right? So that's what the kick turn does, is it corrects your turner radius. I mean, there's other ramps that are bigger than this where you can curve no problem, but in terms of like it being right here in the middle of some dirt, you're gonna have to correct your turn unless you have super loose trucks. Okay, that's pretty much it. I love y'all. Stay tuned for more. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. We going in. I love y'all. Peace.